Now, lastly, the last thing I want to share that you want to make sure that you have in your operating agreement is a purpose clause. And this is particularly relevant when you have a multi-member LLC. For single-member LLCs, there is a strategy that I call intentional specific vagueness. If it's just you that's the owner of the business or a husband and wife team, then we want to be very intentional about the business being able to perform any type of activity that's legal for the business. However, when you have multi-member LLCs, you have multiple people who are owners and members of the business, we want to do the opposite. We want to use strategic specificity in order to make sure that everyone in the business knows that the purpose of this company is for XYZ purpose. And the reason that we want to do this and that we emphasize this is we don't want a situation later on occurring where one member of the business claims that they thought that the company was trying to do XYZ, and then there's confusion because another person thought that they were trying to do ABC. No, we don't want any of that. We want to streamline our purpose, and we want to make sure that everyone who is a owner of the business is on the same page and that everything is documented in the actual operating agreement of the company so that there's no confusion and that there's no stories or no drama later on. Now, obviously, these are just a handful of things that need to go into your operating agreement, and every business is going to need a situation that's customized and catered for them. So we always recommend that you work with an attorney, work with an expert that can make sure that your operating agreement is set up properly.